Suggestion: none. Metatron's cube, an awe-inspiring symbol of sacred geometry, holds the key to understanding the cosmos. Imagine a shape that connects the dots of creation itself. This intricate design consists of 13 circles, all interconnected. Each circle represents a different aspect of the universe, from the elements to the planets. What's incredible is that within Metatron's cube, you can find all 5 of the Platonic solids. These are the building blocks of everything in our three-dimensional world. Earth, water, fire, air and ether, all contained within one symbol. But wait, there's more. Legend says this cube is named after the archangel Metatron, a celestial scribe who guards the flow of energy through the universe. So next time you're searching for clarity or a deeper connection with the cosmos, remember Metatron's cube. It's not just a shape, it's a map of the universe. Stay curious, stay enlightened. Metatron's cube is more than just a geometric figure. It's a profound symbol that has fascinated scholars, mystics and artists for centuries. Its complexity and beauty are a testament to the intricate design of the universe itself. The 13 circles are not randomly placed. They are meticulously arranged to form a pattern that is both aesthetically pleasing and mathematically significant. By studying Metatron's cube, you're not just looking at a beautiful design, you are engaging with a symbol that has the power to transform your understanding of the world. So, take a moment to appreciate this incredible symbol and let it inspire you to explore the deeper mysteries of existence. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and Metatron's cube is one of its most captivating secrets. Stay curious, stay enlightened,